Hello, back again to make another video. This time I wanted to go into depth about the Illuminati occult symbolism that you saw in the performance at the MTV Music Video Awards with Miley Cyrus and Robin Thicke. I'm sure by now everybody in the world has probably seen and heard about this now. It was a very, very risque performance for such a young girl. I mean, I know she's not a young girl anymore, but look at what Hollywood does to these children. Look at what they're turning them into this. Anyway, there's some symbolism that I wanted to go through here real quick. And see if anyone agrees or disagrees or whatever. So here she is. She couldn't look more evil. Got her tongue hanging out of her mouth. Little horns on her head. It's really embarrassing for her and her parents. I'm not sure. I believe Billy Ray Cyrus is the reason that she is involved in this anyway. I think she was a Monarch program subject, and the first clue is looking at her outfit. Everybody was so busy watching her ass jiggle, they didn't even bother to notice that she was wearing a shirt of a mouse or a rat with one eye and its tongue sticking out, and it's got sharp teeth, which I don't know, whatever. But the one-eyed mouse, okay, think about this. Where did she get her start? Disney, right? Right. So why is she wearing a mouse on her shirt with one eye? What could that possibly represent? And the dancing bears on the stage, I don't get that. There's a lot I don't get in this video, but I'm gonna have to move along because they got me timed. Anyway, so here she is making an ass of herself. How embarrassing. Also the bear, the big stuffed bear with the sunglasses that have the light strobing back and forth. That's one eye also. We're going to speed through this here because I want you to see the next costume that we have coming out on stage is going to be the most important. Alright, there he is. Mr. Robin Thicke. Now, who is this guy? I'm not into him, and I don't know about him, but he looks like a pedophile in this performance. I mean, he's apparently 20 years inappropriately older than her, and that in itself is disgusting enough. Okay, but as if that weren't enough, did anyone notice what he's wearing? Did you see the suit he's wearing? Look at the suit. Yeah. Yes, because of the song Blurred Lines. That's what everybody will tell you. I think I have a different definition of what's going on here. You see the big red ball in the back? See that big sphere with the red X's all the way around it? And he's standing there in the black and white stripes, right? Okay. Stay with me here. Follow me. Hey, look who else wears a black and white striped shirt and suit and pants and vest. Do you know who that is? Anybody? Bueller? Yes, that's right. It's Beetlejuice. Actually, it's Michael Keaton playing Beetlejuice. But undoubtedly the same exact costume. Okay, Beetlejuice. What does that have to do with Miley Cyrus and Robin Thicke, you might be asking? Well, the stripes definitely connect in. The black and white and the Masonic overtones are definitely there with the black and white checkerboards. Beetlejuice was about a pretty grim subject, to say the least. Anyway, Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice. Where did it go? I had it here. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, Beetlejuice is a big, huge star, 1,000 times bigger in circumference than our sun, and it is in the constellation Orion. It is Orion's shoulder. It's the bigger shoulder, the bright red star, and it seems that astronomers are saying that this star is going to turn supernova and give us a second sun. Now this is an article from 2011 in the Daily Mail UK talking about this. The Earth could soon have a second sun, at least for a week or two. The cosmic phenomenon will happen when one of the brightest stars in the night sky explodes into a supernova. And according to a report yesterday, the most stunning light show in the planet's history could happen as soon as this year. That was 2011. It's 2013. So what happened to that? You know, what's that about? Beetlejuice, to be second sun for Earth as supernova. The supermassive star Beetlejuice will its violent death impact Earth. Red supergiant star nearing supernova. It's this big, huge red giant, like a big red sphere, just like the red sphere behind them in that performance. Okay? Now, let me read this to you. Masons, magicians, and Illuminati revere, in particular, the orange star Beetlejuice, shoulder of raised arm in picture above. This is one of the brightest stars in the night sky, and most unusually is visible from any place on Earth at one time or another in the course of a year. This bright star represents Nimrod or Satan. Okay? So, Beetlejuice, he's dressed as Beetlejuice, he's representing Satan, and she's wearing the one-eyed Illuminati Mickey Mouse monarch outfit, and no one noticed that he was wearing what Beetlejuice wears, and Beetlejuice is representation for Nimrod or Satan when it comes to Masonics and magicians and Freemasonry. The 3 stars in the middle are known as Orion's belt. The 3 pyramids at Giza in Egypt are laid out in the same pattern, where the size of each reflects the relative luminosity of the corresponding star. In the Bible, the Lord asked Job, "Canst thou loose the bands of Orion?" Job 38:31. The Lord is referring to the belt of Orion, which is the grip of Satan. Only the Lord can free a man from this awful grip, which Miley Cyrus appears to be in, along with the rest of the satanic Hollywood clique. Okay, so now, do you see a little bit more beyond booty grinding and whatever? They try to put this out where you won't see it, and they're telling you. I mean, I just showed you right there. You can look into this if you want to. Miley Cyrus is definitely involved in some bad stuff. I feel very sorry for her and her parents, and I hope that she can get out of it with her soul. Anyway, yes, that whole performance was nothing but the Illuminati saying, "Hey, we are worshiping Satan right here on stage in front of you." And they did. That whole thing was about Satan worship. And here's the proof right here. You can look into this and look it up. The actual star is spelled Betelgeuse, but you won't find a whole lot of hits on that. You'll have to type in Beetlejuice, like you made juice from beetles. So anyway, I gotta cut this short before it gets too long to post. I wanted to let you know about the occult meaning and symbolism in the Miley Cyrus video, MTV Video Awards performance. It was an outright show of satanic worship, and they did it right in front of everyone's face without anyone knowing. Okay, gonna cut it here. Thanks for watching.